Hello Unban Tinder account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to unban your Tinder account or recover your banned Tinder account. So in order to do this procedure, first thing, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So accounts are banned when they identify violation of the community guidelines or terms of use. If you believe that your account was banned in error, you can appeal from the appellate form. So for that, you need to submit an appeal or visit the appealing a violating article. So open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in help.tinder.com, and that's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and tap the link that says submit a request, and then press on the link. And here you need to first thing select the submit type. And for that, first of all, type in account banned. And once you locate recover account, then here you'll be able to see my account is banned. Go ahead and tap the link, and accordingly you'll be instructed on what you can do in order to get unbanned. Follow the instructions and prompts and you'll be able to get your account back. So that's how you can unban your Tinder account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.